How to make fast money online. Do you stress over your personal costs? Are you having trouble financing different things? What if someone provides you an opportunity to earn money in simply a breeze of a finger? Everybody would enjoy to earn money without putting in too much effort. For some individuals, the internet is simply a bunch of innovated maniacs. But this is absolutely wrong. The internet produced more millionaires in the past year than any other industry. Only a couple of web millionaires are understood. A lot are anonymous millionaires, varying from different products and services that they used online. These millionaires simply utilize their determination to make quick cash. Here are some of the ways that you can earn quick money online if you're still unconvinced. Online auctions. Participate in online auctions. With these online auctions, you can quickly turn any of your unwanted items into revenue. Aside from getting profit, your possible buyers will likewise gain from it due to the fact that they can buy inexpensive yet quality products. Respond to online surveys. All you have to do is to address online studies and send them. Not a certain source of income. You can make quick money from as low as $1 to as much as $250 in simply a couple of minutes by addressing survey questions. Affiliate marketing. There are thousands of affiliate programs on the internet. Affiliate programs are promoting programs using a monetary reward for webmasters to drive traffic to the advertiser's site. This eliminates the necessity for the advertisers to find websites with associated contents to note their links or banners. If you are a web designer of a website dealing with books, evaluations, join Amazon's affiliate program and earn cash whenever someone buys a book at Amazon's arriving from your website. Paid per click ads. With online pay-per-click ads, you can easily earn quick cash. There are numerous companies using pay-per-click advertising, e.g. Google AdWords or Overture. All you need to do is to choose an item you want to promote, compose an ad, figure out which keywords will be utilized by the potential client, set your pay-per-click rate, and wait for the sale to come in. Generating income online is growing fast. Why is ending up being more and more popular by doing online marketing company. Yours is the whole world. Since the web is not simply here in the United States, but likewise in all other parts of the world, you have the possibility of customers from all over the world. You are earning fast money from the comfort of your house. Simply consider working 3 hours or less a day. It's definitely possible. Picture going on trips and at the exact same time making money. Isn't that a lifestyle everybody would love to have? The possibilities are unlimited. Just use your web connection and personal computer and start generating income fast. Another way of earning money online is being paid for reading emails. New forms of earnings from the internet. Working as an outsourced call center agent. You might have found out about people taking paid surveys in the internet, as well as people making money to write articles for other individuals. You might have heard about utilizing auction sites to earn some money. Affiliate marketing is likewise a popular way for people to earn money online. All these things are quickly becoming a thing of the past. Today, if you want to make money from the internet, you will desire to find out what the brand new kind of earnings from the internet are. To start with, you will see that people today are now looking at the web as a tool to use to make extra cash. Some individuals even found a routine online business that makes them rather a lot of earning, to the point that they consider this is a complete time profession. The web has a lot of excellent careers in cash making opportunities that you will undoubtedly wish to take part of. Here is an example of a brand new way to make money online if you have no idea what kind of online task you should try. By being a call center agent, you will be able to earn quite a great deal of money. Essentially, numerous businesses today are now outsourcing their help desk or their customer support services. The reality that it's a lot more affordable to outsource and will maximize more offices in a building. Businesses today are now looking for individuals to take the job as call center agents or as their customer support personnel. The terrific thing about this job is that you don't have to operate in a workplace. What you just need is a computer, a laptop computer with an active internet connection, preferably high-speed broadband speed, and also a headset with microphones. Your task is to take inbound calls from individuals who are seeking assistance about the business items or services that make outbound calls to possible customers. The excellent thing about this task is that you will not begin being under a great deal of pressure. You likewise require to have good communication abilities, as you'll be dealing with other people. You also need to have a great deal of perseverance, as you will experience irate clients who will grumble. You will be offered to require software applications to help you with the calls. When you use a contractor, out call center representative, you will likewise require a quiet room to operate in. Besides, you wouldn't desire consumers to hear kids running around your home, would you? And the company you work for may also listen to some of your calls to evaluate your performance. Being a outsourced call center representative, you can be sure that you will have the ability to make more money by just answering the phone. In most cases, the company you work for will ultimately pay you for your internet connection. This kind of job is amongst the newest ways to earn some money online. There are a lot more methods to earn some money online. Whether it is part-time work you're looking for or full-time one, you can be sure that you will find new kinds of earning from the web. Remember these pointers and you can be sure that you will be able to earn some money by being an outsourcer call center agent. You will want to find what the new type of incomes from the internet are. I hope you had a few pointers on ways of earning money that might suit you. This is what I try to do, to give people bits of advice. I can't always be right, but I do hope you enjoy my video. And if you want to see more, then please press the like button below. and the bell up top. The bell up top next to it has all. That will give you indications when I put another video onto YouTube. Also, below my videos, you will find links to other websites. Some are for tools, some are for things that I sell. If you purchase any of these things, I will get a small commission. Now, this is Ian Jackson saying thank you for watching and goodbye.